Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to delete your Gmail account on a PC, especially with the latest updates. If you've decided to part ways with Gmail, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. First, start by heading over to your Google account. Open your preferred web browser and type in Google account, or simply click your profile picture in the top right corner of any Google page and select Manage Your Google Account. Once you're in, look for the Data and Privacy option on the left sidebar. Click on that to access your privacy settings. Next, scroll down until you see the section titled Data from Apps and Services You Use. Here, you'll find Gmail listed among other services. To proceed, right next to Gmail, you'll notice the option to delete. Go ahead and click on that. You'll then be prompted to enter a new email address that you'd like to use for future sign-ins. Remember, this can't be a Gmail address. Fill it in and click on Send Verification Email. Once you've done that, check your inbox for the email verification. You need to verify that new email address before your Gmail account will be deleted. Until then, your Gmail address remains active. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the process to delete your Gmail account. Remember, once you verify the new email, your Gmail will be gone for good. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more practical guides.